Dr. Celia S. Wallach, Division of City Schools of Makati, Mrs. Emily B. Sherda, Division of City Schools of Makati, Private Schools Coordinator, Dr. Evangelista E. de la Cruz, Makati Science High School Principal 2, Mr. Faustino T. Turla Jr., Makati Science High School General Parents and Teachers Association President, other distinguished guests, department heads and subject coordinators, dear teachers, beloved parents and guardians, fellow graduates, a blessed and peaceful morning. The most magical part of dreaming is when you finally capture your heart's desire and you squeeze it until its juice drips on you. You become quite certain that all that is happening is real and that you are not dreaming anymore. I am in that moment. I am savoring the juices of gratitude, fulfillment, and amazement, and well, vengeance, that are all churning like shake within me. That is just a joke. In truth, I am overflowing with gratitude to everyone who has given me a lift to get me to this momentous day. My mom and my dad, my siblings, my school principal, my teachers, my friends, my classmates, my schoolmates, and most of all, God. Let me express my sincerest gratitude to my parents, Mr. Angelina Masaliote and Mrs. Maricel Bilbo Masaliote, for without their undying support, patience, and guidance, I would have never achieved what I have now. You have made me who I am today. Likewise, I am so thankful to our dearest school principal, Dr. Evangelista Ingeniero de la Cruz, who has cared deeply for us and has disciplined us in the best way that she could. I would never miss this chance to thank our beloved teachers who have become an indelible part of our lives and have molded the entirety of our being with virtues and knowledge. Thank you for your unwavering passion and dedication to your craft. My dear trusted friends, I thank you as well for motivating me to strive harder and to aim higher. You have been one of the great sources of my inspiration. Above all, I praise and thank God who has endowed me with natural skills and abilities. He has never forsaken me during my downfall. He has been my constant provider of hope and strength. And yet, by no means I am done with my quest. We have a very long way to go. It's a little bit intimidating and disappointing that the world my fellow graduates and I will eventually step into is currently far from ideal. The world is facing a major financial crisis that has affected even the largest nations. The Philippines, apart from its economic struggles, is politically unstable, with the integrity of some of our government officials always in question. Fellow graduates, we have so much work to do. From here on, we are going to pursue higher aspirations. My heart is pulling me to the field of medicine, where I intend to become a successful doctor with pediatrics as my specialization. Some of us will go on to become lawyers, engineers, journalists, accountants, educators, computer experts, and the like. It just shows that we will each have our responsibilities, our roles in this world cut out for us, with education being our main life skill to reshape our country, and perhaps the world, to the condition and to the situation that is close to our ideals. We thank Makati Science High School for providing us with the best life skills possible to meet the tough challenges ahead of us. So many times during the last 4 years, we have agonized over the long and arduous work that were always expected of us. 24 hours was never enough to complete what were required of us to satisfaction. Pressure of all kinds surrounded us and made us want to give up. Look at us now. We wear smiles of pride and fulfillment. We have endured ordeal. I understand that each was to prepare us for tougher times ahead, small battles to help carry us through the real challenges awaiting us. If I said earlier that this moment is the most magical part of dreaming, I did not say it was the best part. The best parts come when we triumph over those small battles, coming up with thoughts for the soul, appreciating literature, understanding geometry, discovering world history, and conquering the complexities of physics and chemistry. These are the life skills that we shall carry on the way to our place under the sun. 5, 10, 15 years from now, we shall have made something of the tools tucked in our hearts and between our ears. By then, we shall have given ourselves a life of honor, integrity, and excellence. Most importantly, we shall have made our significant contributions to improve our country and the moral and physical conditions of our people. Whatever we make of ourselves, it should be our core aim to use the life skills we now have to give, to share, and supervise so that the less fortunate may have more, may be better, and may be empowered. This is what we owe to the Makati Science. This is the least that we can do to the educational institution that has honed us well and provided us with the most effective life skills so that we can step out into the world with courage, dignity, and confidence. According to Nelson Mandela, education is the most powerful weapon that you can use to change the world. I do agree with him. The future lies upon our frail hands, my fellow graduates. But with education, our hands have already acquired the power and the strength that are needed for us to pursue changes and to make an impact on the lives of our people, our country, and our world. We are strong enough. But if ever weakness finds a way to seep into our bloodstream, let us defend ourselves with the values and wisdom that education has been inculcated in us. Let us always regain the strength and energy that we will lose along the way, because we can do great things in reality if only we commit ourselves to this mission. As we leave the refinery of human mind that is the Makati Science, I further encourage you, my fellow graduates, that we continue to keep in touch with each other. With unity, we have power. With diversified expertise, together, we shall have the means to help fix the broken, fragmented, and underdeveloped aspects of this world. Despite its flaws, a beautiful world outside the portal of our alma mater anticipates for our arrival. The Creator meant for it to be so, and we have a duty to keep it so. We should do what we are supposed to do. After all, we are paragons of excellence. I shall leave you, my dear fellow graduates, with this inspiring quotation from Will Durant. Education is a progressive discovery of our own ignorance. For as long as we breathe, let us continue to learn, make a difference, and carry on the legacy of excellence for a better and brighter tomorrow. Thank you, and good morning.